Okay guys, so today is another new day of speak English in front of camera and building confidence on speaking English in front of camera. So today I'm going to talk about my routine and how my day was going, how my day was gone, and I would like to tell you first thing is that when I was in my home, I used to eat such a beautiful diet. What I used to eat is that when I wake up, I eat 100 grams of peanuts, 300 ml of milk, and two bananas, and after 2 hours I ate 200 grams of curds. After that, in lunch I ate 250-gram rice, 150 ml dal, and some vegetables, and 100-gram paneer bhuji. And and at afternoon I used to drink shakes or etc. And at uh, evening I used to eat a high protein one meal which I can't tell you right now. And then again at night I used to eat 250 grams of rice with 150 ml of dal and vegetables, and before sleeping I drink milk or etc. So this beautiful diet I am following, but since I come to my hostel, my diet has been totally fucked up because I did not like the food of this hostel. And the main point is that I'm fighting right now is that either I should can eat the diet of brain work or I can eat the diet of sleepiness. That's the see, first thing is that right now the time is 1:30 p.m. night. Okay, so I thought that I will not make video today and I fell asleep. But what my self, like I have changed my current self. I'm not used to that old person. I am totally new person with new characteristics, new beliefs, new everything. Okay, so again this past self, this bad identity comes and hijack ourselves, and but we have to fight with this, and through which we can remove the resistance of our past self by doing just like this. And again today I thought that it's not going to be worth it making this video without any topic or with this kind of speaking with such a carbohydrate source. But I thought it is better to make this video rather than doing nothing. Okay, so this is what I thought or believe, and that's why I'm making this video. What I am in see, we are not strong by our heart. This is what I believe. We are not strong. We have to become strong. In my childhood I thought, why do these businessmen are too arrogant? Why do these businessmen, these highly high class people don't give us time, don't talk with us like in a good way, in a humble way? Why do they don't prefer us? Why do they treat us like a shit? But now, if when I started the journey of becoming high value man or achieving high class uh, everything, so I come to a conclusion that whenever I meet with people who don't have ambitions, so when I talk with them, they just waste my time because I don't have to learn anything from them, but they have so many things to learn from me, but they don't learn that thing. They all were busy in talking about other people's their problems and so many things which takes energy of me and gives me wrong thought, right? One of my friend had thought it something different which I cannot tell you in front of camera, but after listening to him my brain thought has just changed the direction on my thought thinks something else with what he told me, right? So that's why those high class people don't want to spend time with, and they are ruthless with their time. Why? Because what I believe is the time in my college second year fourth semester, and I can't say no to my friends because I don't want to hurt them, and this is who we truly are. But we have to hurt them. We have to make this hard decision like I'm not going to give anybody time. I'm not going to talk with anybody of you, any one of you. It's my time, it's my season. I will work very hard. After that I will talk with you. So we have to go through this phase, which phase, and this phase will make us so change. With this make us phase make us so arrogant, so blah blah blah. And that's the point. We have to become, we don't want to become, but the goal we want to achieve required all these things. Then that's why we have to become that thing, right? So, and other thing is that which I want to tell is that the environment matters most, man, because I live in hostel right now, and all people are here are very shit. They don't want to grow in their life. They are doing absolutely nothing. They are just wasting all their 24 hours, including me. I'm wasting, but I want to grow, but I don't see challenge anywhere. Whenever I try to do all these things, I found myself ahead than all those people, so I get comfortable. I do not see any challenge, but when I see Instagram, I open Instagram images. I see people of my ages who have same very great communication skill, very great English speaking fluency, very great body, very great everything, blah blah blah. So then I start. So comparison is the part of life, and we should compare, but it's not a right direction. We should compare our past self with our current self, and so this is what. But we have a desire of vision that okay, I want to achieve this, that. But that's what I'm saying, and uh, so I totally wasted today this, man, because I am doing the procrastination is the biggest enemy of me, I know, and perfectionism, and avoiding pain, and avoiding mistakes, avoiding imperfection. These are all my biggest mistakes. When my mind gets filled, I want to relax. This, why do I need to relax? Let's fuck our mind. Let's give him so pressure that it stop working. This is another thing, that why procrastinate. Okay, this is the thing. If I don't do this thing first, I we have to prioritize this. Okay, this is the thing which I have to do. Okay, now I have to sacrifice everything. Why I am talking with these fucking people? Why I am wasting time with these people if I am not making 1 lakh rupees per month regularly? Okay, when I make 1 lakh rupees per month, okay, now I have shattered myself financially. Now I am not. Now I'm not the liability of anybody. Now I'm not the liability of my parents. Then I can do whatever the fuck I want to do with my friends. So I can talk and I can hang out. But right now it's not the right time. Right now, why do I want to, when I want to get relaxed? Why do I go to my friend's room and talk with him for an hour, an hour? Why do I watch Hollywood movies? Why do I even care about any YouTuber? What's happened to those YouTuber? What happened to that people? Who the fuck has died? Who the fuck has lived? Who the fuck has achieved something great? Why do I care about that thing? I only have to care about me and myself. That's what we have to become, and this is the thing which I really true today. And man, now after all these things, I decided that I will stop procrastinating. No, I mean I will stop procrastination. I will I will become ruthless with my time. I will say no to every people. I will hurt every people, because this is something which I have to fit in my mind. Because if I don't do this, I have to do someday else. So sooner or later we have to do all these things. So we have to fail a lot. We have to do imperfect thing. We have to work so much. So we have to work so hard that when I lie on bed, I fall asleep within just within the count of 10 seconds. Okay, so this is what all we have to do. And if we are not doing this, then we don't deserve success. So success is not about luck, which I truly know right now. It totally depends upon you. So this is what I truly believe, and that is it for today, guys. And I know this video is very simple, but this video is going to help me in my future, because when my future self see this video, he knows that okay, this is what I have, or this is what all I have gone through. So that is it. I am not editing this video; I'm just uploading as it is. Okay.